3D tutorials. Today's video I will show you how you can add or remove the joint from the mesh has been already skinned by. So in this case we have hands, which we have the joint has been already skinning, as you can see, and we want to add these two types of the joint. The first one is very easy, it is just one pieces of the joint, and second one you need to actually select all of them and then go to adding it. So to do this, we're just starting by the first one, just selecting it, shift select the mesh, they have skin, go to the rigging, skin, edit, and add influence, reset the setting. So that is a good idea if you just lock the weight to be 0, so you can manually go ahead and painting it. So we think add. Now what if I just go to the paint skin weight and locking here, I have now adding it, and that is lock. I need of course unlock this, and then I can just go ahead and paint it. Okay, so that is the if it is only one, but sometime like this one we have more in one joint. It is not a knot, you just selecting the root of the joint because the other has not been selected, so you need go ahead manual by shift if it is all of them, and you can also by holding control and selecting them. Then select the mesh again, go to skin and go to add influence, and same thing here. Now if you go to log to the paint weight, skin paint weight, so you can see they has been again adding. Shift select all of them and unlock them so they are ready to be painted. Okay, now we want actually remove this joint from this mesh. Before we do this, we need to have move this information to another joint. So to do this, the first things we need to do, select our object, right click to the vertex mode. To not selecting the joint, you can also press this, and then you making selecting all the vertex you want to move. So you can also select more in one if it is not a problem. So when you are ready, go ahead to object mode, then go to the painting tools, and from here we need to go to the select mode. So before we do this, I will just show you where we want to move it to. So that is the joint 15. I want to move it to the F, which is this one. So I just holding the control and selecting it. When it has selected and you can see your vertex selection, you can then press this. So what it does, it's moving the information to this selected vertex. So if we're looking to this one again, now we are 0. So make sure if it is like child, all them is on the 0. Then we can remove this one from the mesh. So to do this, we're going to select all of the joint, then shift select the mesh, go ahead to the skin, in the edit influence, and remove. So when I go back to the painting mode, I cannot see, you can just see it, I cannot select these, this one, because they are not there anymore, the fingers. So the finger has now been removed, so I can just go ahead and remove it, and the information of the finger now has been adding to the second joint, which is this one. So that is a very important thing. Before you removing any joint from your mesh, you need to actually go ahead and move this information to another joint. If you don't do this, you will destroy your scanning painting for all of your joints sometime. Thanks for watching.